Once again, welcome to your Spanish course, Learn Spanish from Zero with your Spanish teacher, Domingo. In today's objectives, at the end of this video, you will be able to do the following. Recognize the verb be in Spanish and master the use of ser in the right context. Unlike English, Spanish has two forms of the verb to be, which are ser or estar. However, we are going to focus on estar in today's lesson. The verb to be is known as an irregular verb in both English and Spanish. Why? Because the conjugation is different in each person. So what we're going to see here is the conjugation of verb be in the present. But remember, only the meaning here is ser in the present, okay? And let's start right away. Here we have the pronoun and the verb. And here the English translation. Yo soy. Yo soy. I am. Tú eres. You are. Usted es. You are. Él es. Ella es. He is. She is. It is. Nosotros somos. We are. Nosotras, for female, somos. We are. Ustedes son. You are. Because remember that in previous videos I explained that you has three different meanings in Spanish. Ellos son. They are. Ellas son. They are. How do we differentiate the verb ser from estar, which is the same verb to be, but independent, of course, in Spanish? Well, here I can give you a few tips for you to recognize it and know how to use it as well. First, we use it to talk about nationality, physical characteristics, professions, ownership, countries and cities, personality traits or emotions, permanent stakes, time, colors, country of origin, and also dates, months, date, time of the year, etc. Sentences with the verb to be. Oraciones con el verbo ser. Remember, the meaning right now is ser. Nationality, nacionalidad. Let me give you an example here. Yo soy dominicano. Dominicano is a nationality, which in English is Dominican. Or you can say, yo soy chino. I am Chinese. Also, we use it to talk about physical characteristics. In Spanish, características físicas. For example, when I say physical characteristics, it's like the appearance. Look here. Tú eres hermosa. You are beautiful. Tú eres alta. You are tall. So we are describing physical characteristics. That is a way when you want to describe someone, you can use the verb ser in this case. The verb to be is also used when we are talking about professions. For example, él es doctor. He is a doctor. Él es profesor. He is a teacher. When we talk about ownership, we also use the verb ser. Ella es mi hija. She is my daughter, so you're saying that she belongs to you. La casa es de Lola. The house belongs to Lola, so you're saying that Lola is the owner of that house. Also, when we talk about countries and cities, we use the verb ser. For example, Mexico es un país. In English, Mexico is a country. We not only describe physical characteristics, but also we describe the personality with the verb ser. For example, nosotros or nosotras somos inteligentes. we're smart. So we are describing smart, inteligentes, as a personality trait. Also, we use the verb be to talk about permanent states, which are situations or feelings that are not temporary. For example, la Tierra es un planeta. The Earth is a planet. When we talk about time, la hora, we also use the verb ser. For example, son las 1 p.m. It's 1 p.m. If you talk about colors, you also use the verb ser. For instance, mi blusa es azul. My blouse is blue. So you see? So blue is describing the blouse, which is blue, the color. Also, when you talk about a country of origin, you use the verb ser. Country of origin is país de origen. Ustedes son de Nigeria. You are from Nigeria. So Nigeria is the country of origin where these people were born. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, comments, and share it with your friends and acquaintances. Thank you.